Have you ever felt like keto was just too complicated? Too many rules, too much cooking, too much tracking? Well, you're not alone. The truth is, keto doesn't have to be hard. Once you learn a few smart strategies, it actually becomes simple, flexible, and sustainable. Today, we're breaking down 3 powerful life hacks that make keto easy, enjoyable, and something you can stick with long term. The first hack is to simplify your meal prep. Most people get overwhelmed because they try to plan out every meal perfectly or cook something new every day. You don't need to do that. The key is keeping it simple and repeatable. Choose 2 main proteins each week, say chicken thighs and ground beef. Add 1 batch of low-carb veggies like roasted broccoli or cauliflower, and make sure you got a go-to healthy fat like butter, olive oil, or avocado. From there, you can mix and match throughout the week. One day it's taco bowls, another it's a quick chicken salad, or a lettuce wrap. You'll save time, reduce decision fatigue, and keep your fridge full of ready-to-eat options that actually fit your goals. Use parchment paper or foil to make cleanup effortless, a small trick that saves tons of time. The second hack is to always have emergency keto snacks nearby. Hunger can sneak up on you, especially when you're busy or on the go, and that's when temptation strikes. To stay in control, think ahead. Keep keto-friendly snacks in your bag, car, or desk drawer. Things like beef sticks, hard-boiled eggs, cheese crisps, or single-serve nut butter packets. These foods don't just satisfy hunger, they stabilize your energy and prevent that mid-afternoon crash that leads to bad choices. When you always have something keto-friendly on hand, you never feel deprived, and that makes all the difference in staying consistent. And finally, the third hack, and maybe the most important, is to focus on progress, not perfection. Keto isn't about following every rule 100% of the time. It's about building consistency and confidence over time. If you slip up, it's not the end of the world. Just move forward and make your next choice a good one. The people who succeed with keto aren't perfect. They're persistent. They don't restart every Monday or punish themselves for one off-plan meal. They focus on how much better they feel, how their energy improves, how their clothes fit differently, and how their confidence grows. That mindset shift turns keto from a temporary diet into a lifestyle you can live with and love for life. So let's recap. Simplify your meal prep so you never feel overwhelmed. Keep emergency keto snacks handy to stay in control wherever you go. And most importantly, focus on progress, not perfection, because every smart choice moves you closer to the results you want. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more keto strategies that actually work, and comment below. Which of these 3 hacks are you going to try first? Remember, keto isn't about restriction. It's about confidence, clarity, and freedom. See you in the next video.